It's a great day for a drive, especially in this 2020 Ford Ranger LARIAT in magnetic gray. It has black leather interior, seating for four doors, and it has a 5-foot box. It also has a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, navigation, reverse camera, lane keeping, and so many more great features. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. And if you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine is paired with an automatic transmission, and this vehicle is a 4x4. Let's have a look door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat as well as the passenger seat are powered with lumbar. You have these nice all-weather mats on the floor. Your lighting controls are located here, and your high mount light here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, adaptive cruise control, media, volume, and hands-free dialing. And we're going to start the vehicle just with a push. Foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. And you're going to see two menus come up, and we can go through them. So on the left hand side, we're going to go up to the top, display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. On the right hand side, we have entertainment, navigation, and phone, and you notice they change color. You have your B&O badging located there in a little cubby, and on your screen, we're seeing the dual climate control as well as the defrost, the rear defrost, and AC. And we just touch on the screen for the different options that we want. That's our hazard lights that I just put my finger on there. Audio, let's turn the volume down. We can do that on our steering wheel, but also down below. We can go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We also have navigation, so the map's going to come up. Now you can be in any position in the screen. When you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. So the black dotted lines are the center, the white is the direction you're going as you turn the steering wheel, and the green, yellow, red is how close you're getting to objects or other vehicles when you're going in reverse. And that's right off your bumper, if you notice that. Good view there. And we can go back home to the different options. There's your map for the navigation, as I mentioned. We can go into settings and you can make changes there. Navigation, your Bluetooth, general, automatic updates, Apple CarPlay, as well as Android Auto. You can actually go into display. We can make this a lighter screen if you want. You've got your Ford Pass Connect, and you've also got your different controls, ambient lighting being one of them. Volume and tuner, and then you have your dual climate control, as well as heated seats for driver and passenger, and then you have your front and rear defrost, as well as the AC. There's two 12 volts, as well as USB outlets, hill descent, auto stop start for less idle time, your locking differential, tow haul, parking sensors, and traction control. And then you have your 4x4, and the TM is the terrain mode, and that'll appear to the left as you touch on it. Normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, and back around again. You have an automatic select shifter, your emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, a couple of cup holders, the armrest opens up, lots of room in there, and then off to the side is your glove compartment. There is a grab handle in the body, auto dimming, rear view mirror, your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you're ready to take off on your next adventure. Wheels, black running boards, body colored door handle, and driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. The body colored door tailgate handle is located right at the back here, and below the Ford badge is where your backup camera is located. Your tailgate is lockable and removable, and you also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we're ready to open up that tailgate, we simply put our hand in the latch, and you notice it's a nice lined box. It's got tie downs in all 4 corners, and then when you're ready, you just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start, speaker in the door, as well as power windows and locks. There's seating for 3 in the back with a bench seat here, and in the center you have the armrest with a couple of cup holders. You can flip that up And just pull the tab underneath the seat. There's one on either end, but you only need to pull one, and that gives you access to the bins just below. And you're seeing the jack there too. And then just release it, it'll come right back down. And then you can pull this tab and it'll bring your armrest with the cup holders down as well. In the back, there's a manually sliding rear window, and it has rear defrost. On the floor, you've got all-weather mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, there's a 110 and 2 USB outlets. There's dome lighting, hooks and handles, and you're ready to go. Line box, privacy glass in the back windows, blind spot information system in the side view mirrors with integrated turn signals, halogen headlights, fog lights, front sensors, and tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.